Hello, my ICTA students. This video is going to be on working with your bullets. It's going to be exercise 9 in your tabs booklet, and you're going to be refreshed on how to apply your bullets. So first of all, I'm going to open up the file. I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Open, and I want to go to Browse, and we want to go to your classes drive, your V drive, your classes drive, and you want to go to your ICTA class, and you want to go to the file called Teaching Documents, and we want the one called Data for Exercise 9 Qualities. Data for Exercise 9 Qualities. So point to the big blue W here and left double click. Alright, it's on your screen, so the first thing we want to do is save the file. So File, Save As, and we want to go to your Browse, and we want to go to your drive. So I want to go to my U drive, you go to your U drive, then I want to go to ICTA slot 4, and that's where you want to go, and we want to go to your tabs folder. So make sure your address bar says your name, your U drive, ICTA slot 4 tabs. And now click in the file name box, press home, and type in your name and today, September 30th, the current date, whatever you have. Alright, and now save it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do now, when you go to select lines, you use your white cursor. Alright, so we're going to select autonomy down to professionalism. Alright, your bullet button is on your home tab, and now we can choose the default bullets, but I don't want you to. I want you to choose your own bullet. So I want you to go to Define New Bullet, go to Symbol. Alright, now we can go to Webdings or Wingdings, whichever you want to choose from, but let's go, I'll choose Webdings. Alright, and you're going to pick a bullet that you like. It doesn't matter which one that you want to use. So let's go, and I'm going to pick one of these world ones. We pick this one right here. Alright, and say OK. And now remember, we can make a color. Okay, so let's choose size 12. Let's go and choose a font color. Anything goes, but choose something bright that you can see it. And say OK. And now you see I chose purple, and say OK, and there's your bullet. Now they automatically jump in because that's the way they are pre-programmed to do in Word. You don't want it there though. You want to point to your left indent. Remember, the rectangle is the left indent, and drag it back until the top triangle is right here on the dark gray and the white. Don't go out in the dark gray. Alright, now sometimes when your bullets are larger, like I made these ones here, the text is too close. So point to your hanging indent. That's the bottom triangle. Make sure it says hanging indent. Click, hold, and drag it one more tick. And then you've got a better sense of what the spacing should be. And you know, if you go to View and you choose 100%, that's exactly what it'll look like. So you don't want any less space than that. And then go back to View and choose Page Width so you can see it. Now, once you've selected that, then you say, oh, this is easy. All I have to do is go to my Home tab and double click on my Format Painter, and now select, use your white arrow, just the two lines, Private Enterprise and Public Sector. And then come down here and white arrow, point to genetics, artificial intelligence, robotics, and so on down to biotechnology. And now they're all matching, and turn your paintbrush off, your Format Painter off. So they're all matching perfectly. We could say we're done, but I want to go over some more things with you. So select your bullets again, all right? And you said, I didn't like what you chose, Lee. That wasn't nice. So this time we're going to go to Define New Bullet, and we'll go to Picture, okay? Go to Picture, and you can choose from a file. If you had a picture in your file, you could choose that. But let's just go to Bing. Let's go to Bing, and let's put in technology and see what we get. Okay, Okay, so we got some different pictures here. I don't know what you like. It's going to be small, remember, because it's a bullet. Okay, let's choose. Actually, maybe this one will look good. Let's choose this one. All right, insert. Now, note font is grayed out. You can't do anything with a picture. All right, so that's why all you can do is say OK. Now, it came in fairly small. The 2 ticks in this one is pretty good. I wouldn't change anything, but still point to your left indent and move it back so that you're on the dark gray and the white, your top triangle. Now, once again, left double click on your Format Painter, paint, and click, hold, drag, and paint. So very easy. You can, and then turn your paintbrush off. So you can change your bullets as many times as you want and use what you want. So when you go to do yours, try it yourself, use a symbol, and then go and try it with a picture. And whichever one you want, that's fine. And then remember, go Control Home, and don't forget your heading. Highlight your heading, and make sure you put bold italics. And let's refresh your memory, small caps. So there's your small caps. Advanced, let's put on about 5 points of spacing so that you can see it. And let's size it up. And let's put a color on it. So I'll go with red because my picture's red. All right, so very nicely, I have my heading done. I have all my bullets done. And now, of course, you can do your headers and footers. I don't need to go over those with you. But the other thing is, in your pictures, you know how to put your pictures in. Now, it said go to the internet and copy and paste them. All right, so let's go. We want to go to the internet. And I want to, hold on here, I got to bring it over. And I want to go to a new tab. And I want to search for technology pictures. So I'm going to say image of technology. And actually, we wanted female technicians and male technicians. So put in female technicians. All right. And let's see what we get. Okay, so we can have more here. So choose something that you like. It doesn't matter to me what one you choose. Maybe this one's quite nice. You'll pick whatever one that you want. And right click, remember, copy the image, come back to Word, and make sure you're on a blank paragraph symbol, and you want to go to paste, and you want to say merge formatting. All right, and there's your picture. Size it down, make it square. All right, and now let's go get another one. So let's go back and let's choose another one here. Maybe this one, okay? And right click, copy image, and we're going to go back to Word, and here we are. And again, I'm on a blank paragraph symbol, so I'm going to go to paste, merge formatting, and there's my picture, and I'm going to size it down. All right, so I'm going to size it down to about like this, a little bit more. And I want to go get one more, and I want to go here, and this time I want to go back, and I want to go back one more, and I want to pick out male technician so that we got both, okay? And find out what we've got there. Okay, so now again, oh, I don't know what picture you want, but let's go, maybe this one, okay? All right, right click, copy image, and now we're going to go back to Word, and we're going to put in one more picture. So we're going to go to paste, and we say merge formatting, and here's our picture. All right, let's size it down, and this is kind of all refresher for you. You know how to do this, but I want to make sure that you've got it covered again. All right, now I'm going to make sure all my pictures are square. Okay, so I put on square, and then I want to check this picture, I want to put on square, and I want to check this picture and put on square. Alright, so let's do this. Let's put this picture like this. Let's put this picture like this. Let's size this down a bit. So there, we'll go like that. We'll go like that, and we'll go like this. Alright, now let's put a frame on here. Whatever you think looks good. Okay, and then this one, let's put, I think I'll put the same frame on all of them. Kind of like that one. Okay, so there we go. Now, remember when you take your pictures, click on the first picture, hold down your shift key, click on the second picture, click on the third picture. And remember, you have picture tools format, you go to align. Now, let's align their bottoms. That's one way you could do it. Or we could align their middles. Now, watch, the middle handles are aligned, okay? The next thing you do is you go to distribute them horizontally. And did you see the center picture jump over? Alright, and now you want to go to group and click on group. And now you can move your pictures anywhere that you want. So I want you doing that also on every document that you do. Use 3 pictures, even if it says 2, put in 3 so you practice with aligning them and distributing them horizontally. Alright, go Control S to save. I won't do the headers and footers with you because I won't have time left, I don't think, on this video.